pinagbago. Albohayara. Hindi na blue. Dito muna tayo, baka mawili sila sa amin. Tingnan natin muna yung mga payong-payong. Ha?
Smells bad.
Of course, because farm. Sa tayo mapanuiksi ito. You remember you fed the cow in there over there before? Di ba yung aswiti? Aswiti. Di ba? Kita mo ito. Dala ka ka.
Ada yung kapas, di ba?
Ate Jingy na alson.
Pick up all the flowers, especially that one. This yellow bag.
Kahit mga dumaan ni J. Grocery.
Me.
Can you meron na isa doon.
Mommy, is that yellow bag?
Yeah. Ito empty. Lahat puro repolyo ito.
Ay, na ako. Nagkakangari po yun. Very big cabbage.
Ito yung entrance.
See the cabbage, Joe?
Look, the cabbage. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Cauliflower naman. Oh, this inside. Oh, at least inopen. Uy, at least inopen the Jimini. So, ang pumay kami dito, yung na open ata. Tapos dito yung makikita mo na yung ada payong na nagado.
Before there is some glass.
Ada na, napsog ka. Di lang, kaririing na lang agad.
Mommy.
Kaririing na siya mga gusto. Kaya ada pa na dito yung glass. Awan na dito lang. Look, the cactus.
I won't touch it. Nice. I want to buy like that. For mushroom.
Oh!
Cactus. I saw cactus.
Ang cute naman dito. Do you want to have some? This one cake? Or this cupcake? Mahina to din. Sweet. Itong lalaki ng buto. Do you want to have something? Which one? I have water here.
There's ice cream.
Friends, ayun yun na kinyo ko. I'll get the water. Ay, ito over dito. Saprula. Nasa prula dito yung ugot. Naimas dati ugot. Sidaan ni. Passion fruit. This is the passion fruit. Look.
See, there is blue.
I have a lot in my home. This one. Madina ata. Bumalik na naman kami dito sa Maybo Farm.
It's like we're like that in the church.
Ha?
We're like that in the
Look,
There's some borders in this one.
yeah, over there.
Up there, but they're removed. Look, I been here before.
Peruvian. Go to swing guys. Sit down there. Eliza not see this one.
So she wouldn't pick up the flowers.
Oh, sit. Sit down. Anywhere. Sit down. Oh, look, the flowers. Oh.
They're cactus.
Yeah. The flowers.
Don't touch.
Aloe vera. This aloe vera. Inside out. Ayan. There are all the flowers, sampagita. And
I don't know what's going
you remember you was running here with Ning Ning?
Did we got
No, because you are not watching my vlog. Oh, this is the umbrella that you go.
suddenly all
You come with together with Yusuf.
oh I wonder if the umbrella
observe. Oh, the playground there. Where's your mom? Nice. They improve a lot. Too much improve.
What?
Improving.
This is food.
One, the oh look. This one is all money. No?
You can't go there outside.
No, can go there.
Can't.
Daming in-improvean.
Pizza Hut has
Ha? Oh, Pizza Hut. Oh.
has
See, he has a playground.
I think you can.
I think there is money. Another money.
How long is it?
Angry Bird.
You can
See, I told you there is money. Ah, this one, oh look, the lake.
Where's the swamps? But how much?
I don't know. It's a lake. Is there fish?